close to my heart haul that is only good for the month of January and February, and I'm so excited. So I want to go over, sorry for the crinkling because I know some of you guys don't like it, but it is called the Heart Happy Workshop Kit. There's the collection, and this collection number, the CC2196, is with the stamp. You can also get this same collection without the stamp, but once I show you the stamp, you're going to want it all. So this all comes with to where you can make cards, layouts, and whatever else you want. I am strictly going to use this particular collection all about scrapbooking. So I'm going to start with the easy stuff first. So you get this shimmer trim, which is red. There's the number if you want it separately, because you can purchase it separately. And the cool thing about our trim is it comes with sticky stuff on the back. How awesome is that? So there's the trim, and you can order this separately too. And then we get the silver glitter gems, and there's the number. You can order these separately as well, but look how gorgeous those are. And they're amazing. Love them. Now, here is the stamp. I'm going to show you the stamp and then I'll show you the number. I absolutely love this because you can use this stamp for about anything. You do not need to use it for Valentine's because the only thing that says it is right here. The rest of it is awesome. So it's you, me, naps, tacos, bacon, ice cream, puppies. I'd hug you if I could all day. Here's a piece of my heart. Like there's the little pieces. This one, there's a heart. There's another heart. There's a line. A diagram, my heart, always, forever, you're my person, a limited card space, all of that. So how can you, I mean, this is awesome. It's gorgeous. I love it. I cannot wait to use this. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And there is the number, the number for the stamp. Get this in there. Maybe. There we go. Okay. And then it obviously comes with the exclusive envelopes. And then the cards are already pre-cut for you. You can bend these, do whatever you want with them. They do also come with all of the place photo spots because you can print off. It's got the PDF file for everything online when you purchase this. The minute you get it, it'll automatically give that to you. And here are the stickers. There are the stickers. And look how stinking cute these are. Oh my gosh, I just love them. And it says, Happy Valentine's Day. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Oh, darling, gal pals forever. All the heart eyes, everything. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then it comes with all this cardstock. So everybody knows that I absolutely love our white cardstock, and it comes with 4. I just want to tell you there's 4 white cardstock. And look how amazing these 4 colors go together. Oh my gosh. It's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. And you know that our stuff is two-toned. Alright, so you get 2 pages of each. Look at that ombre. Oh my gosh, look at that ombre. Hallelujah. And then here is the cut apart that you can do. And you get 2 of those. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, and here are the hearts. And these are little circles. It's a tone-on-tone. And there is the hearts. And look how gorgeous that strip is. Oh. And there's this one with the stripe. And look at that gingham. Oh. And then here is some X's with the lighter pink color. And this one's really cool because I'm going to set it down here so you can see. So you can run it this way. You could turn it and run it this way. You could turn and run it this way. Look how cool it is. An embellishment, photo embellishment. Easy peasy. And then look at that. And this is red with pink. Now, you probably, it's hard to see, but this is, the lines are pink. My phone just isn't picking it up right. But this is blue or navy with the mint, and look at that. Gorgeous. And here's the last sheet. So these are X's, O's that are white. And oh, I'll set this down so you can see. Look at that. Bloop. Look at that heart, the strip. Oh, awesome. Okay, so that is the kit. I will link everything down below exactly on how you can purchase everything individually, what the kits are, all of that. I do have a event running on my website, which you can go check out. And check out if you want this. This is only available for January and February. Once it's gone, it's gone. So go snag it. Go get it. The other thing is that I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what the March of the stamp is. Because, you know, I get it and I want to show you guys off right away what it is. And it's amazing. I absolutely love it. So that's the, come on, there we go. That is what it's called. It's the stamp of the month for March. So this is only available in March, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek of it. Look at this. Look at those numbers. And this is, I remember this. It's got 3 little dots. You can do this with just about anything. Today's date. This happened. What a day. What matters. Take note. Is it the weekend yet? It's got these little shapes. Love this. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. This stamp is this big right here. So you've got enough journaling. The date. And it says, these are the moments I want to remember. All that jazz. So that is awesome. This isn't part of it. Just remember this is for March. But that is it. If you want to see more, go ahead. I am definitely going to be using this collection in the month of February for sure. I've got tons of photos that I'm ready to use. I'm not going to use it just for Valentine's Day, but I do love to do some lovey-dovey ones with my hubby. So those will probably be done as well in the month of February. But be on the lookout, and I